Java, First Form, Part 4. Okay, in this next section, what we're going to do is add some radio buttons to our form. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag 4 radio buttons to our form. Okay, let's go ahead and label them. So we're going to change the text to them. So this is going to be add. This one's going to be subtract. This one's going to be multiply. This one's going to be divide. Okay, now let's go ahead and we'll line these guys up so they're left aligned. Now I want to show you what's going to happen to these when we run these. So I'm going to go ahead and run the file. I'll bring it down here so we can see it. Now watch what happens to our radio buttons. If I click on this one, okay, the add still stays, and technically that should toggle off. So if I click multiply, the other one should be toggled off. Instead, when I click on these, they all stay lit. So what we need to do is fix this phenomena, and the way we do this is by a radio or by a button group. So let's go ahead and close this, and we'll add a button group to our form. So we're going to group these in a button group. So let's go over here to source. Now you know right up here where we've got the public JFrame 1. Okay, we're going to set this up. So we're going to add a button group. So we're going to do RB group, that's the name of our button group, equals new button group. Okay, so now once we have the group on here, we can now add our buttons to this. So we will simply go ahead and do RB group dot add. Okay, so it automatically popped in our first radio button. So let's go ahead and add the other 3. So we have there's our third. Okay, so that's our 4th button group. So let's watch it when we run our file. So if I go ahead and here and hit add, subtract, multiply, divide, you can see now using a button group will allow those radio buttons to toggle. So that's how you add a button group and buttons to our form.